Amber's tutelage is guiding minds. This is a video tutorial to help you make an ant on an anthill with the focus on the ah sound. These are the materials and equipment you will need. The ants on the anthill template, a coloured paper for the legs, another piece of coloured paper for the anthill, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, coloured pencils or crayons, a ruler, and a pen or a pencil. Step 1. Colour in the ants on an anthill template. You can use whatever colours you want. Get creative. Step 2. Cut the template out. Make sure to cut carefully around the dotted lines and be careful not to cut yourself. Ask an adult to help if you need it. Step 3. On one of the coloured pieces of paper, measure and draw 3 lines along the width, about 1 centimetre apart. Step 4. Cut each of the strips along the lines. Step 5. Fold each of the strips in half, then cut along the folded line. This will result in 2 even pieces. Repeat for each strip to create 6 legs of equal length. It's time to assemble our ant. Step 6. Glue each of the legs to the body of the ant in the marked areas. Step 7. Glue the feet to the ends of the legs on the ant. Step 8. Fold along the dotted lines on the neck and the end of the ant. Fold along the marked lines in an alternating pattern to create a zigzag effect. Step 9. Fold each of the legs upward where the leg connects to the body. Next, unfold each leg slightly so they point upward at a small angle. Step 10. In the middle of each leg, fold so they point underneath the body of the ant. Our ant is now finished, but it still needs an anthill. Step 11. Collect the other piece of paper. Step 12. Use a round object such as a small plate to draw a circle on the paper. Step 13. Draw a dot in the centre of the circle. Step 14. Cut the circle out. Step 15. Cut a straight line from the circle's circumference to the centre dot. Step 16. Apply glue to one side of the cut edge. Then connect the two sides to create a shallow cone shape. Now you're all finished. Your amazing ant is now able to climb on its anthill.
Amber's tutelage is guiding minds.